Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra are going to be unveiling tomorrow on Samsung Virtual Unpacked event, and Samsung will hold what is going to be the busiest Unpacked launch event yet. And if we count each devices separately in upcoming flagship Galaxy phones and tablet lineup, the Korean giant is going to unveil 6 different products on August the 5th. This video showcases all the specifications for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Note 20, but in this video I will be discussing what we know so far based upon leaks and renders for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Starting from the display, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is coming with a 6.9-inch of Infinity O Dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz of refresh rate, and that refresh rate is based on QHD plus resolution. Also, this refresh rate is continuous on all the apps, meaning that you can run every app on 120Hz of refresh rate. You can also change the 120Hz of refresh rate from QHD plus resolution to Full HD in 60Hz of refresh rate manually in your software. Front is also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, or I can say Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and that glass is going to be 2 times more protected than the Gorilla Glass 6 protection. Also, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is IP68 dust and water resistance. Also, on the front of the device, you will see an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor present under the hood of AMOLED display. The front is also coming with a punch hole selfie camera, and it is going to be of a 12 megapixel sensor which has the capability to record 4K videos in 30 frames per second. Moving on the back side, well, we have a square camera bump which is rumored to be have a little bit more in size than the Galaxy S20 Ultra. That square camera bump holds a triple camera setup on the back side with the main camera of 108 megapixel primary sensor which has a built-in support for optical image stabilization and also present a laser autofocus. That laser autofocus is one of the most important thing for the 108 megapixel camera sensor autofocus, because previously we have seen in Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra it has an issue with the focusing in 108 megapixel camera sensor. So that's why Samsung has listened to the consumers and included a laser autofocus which is even faster in focusing in 108 megapixel camera sensor. It can record an 8K video in 30 frames per second, and simultaneously you can take a 33 megapixel of images while recording in 8K video. Next camera is going to be a 12 megapixel telephoto lens which has a capability of 5 times optical space zoom and a 50 times of hybrid space zoom inside the device. Previously, S20 Ultra has 100 times of zoom and nobody has needed that kind of zoom capability, so this time around Samsung has changed that telephoto lens as well. Last camera is going to be 12 megapixel ultra wide camera sensor in which you can take a super steady video recording as well. Moving on towards the bottom of the device, we have an S Pen, and its position has been shifted from right side to the left side of the device, and along with that you will see a speaker grill, a Type-C port and a noise cancellation mic. Talking about the S Pen, well, this S Pen is going to be an improved S Pen from previous generation of Note devices, and it is including a 9 millisecond of a delay time inside the S Pen, which means that it is going to be more accurate in writing than its predecessor. The S Pen also has a new feature in which you can turn your text into Microsoft Word or PowerPoint files and other files as well. Also, in advanced settings for the S Pen, you can change the color and shape of your pointer in the S Pen as well. Internally, if you look at the device is coming with 2 different processors inside the device. One is going to be Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, and that is going to be world first chipset to be included a 3 GHz of processing power inside, and it is going to be only available in US, Canada, South Korea and China. Yes, South Korea is going to be introduced with the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, as it is going to be the Samsung home country. So it was expected that this time around we might see a new and improved Exynos processor inside the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but it seems that Samsung is using the same Exynos 990 processor inside the device, which we have already seen in the Galaxy S20 series, and that is not good option for all those fans who are in the international market, because Exynos 990 has a big problem in throttle. There are some rumors that we might see an improved Exynos 990 processor inside the device, because I believe that Snapdragon 865 Plus is more powerful than the Exynos 990 in terms of processing power. Moving on towards the other aspect of the device, internally we will see a 12 GB of RAM inside, and that RAM is based on DDR5, which is going to be the latest chipset And including a 12 GB of RAM is kind of an amazing thing, because even most of the laptops which are currently available don't have such kind of a RAM inside the device. Having a 12 GB of RAM inside a phone means we have a better RAM management and we can open more apps in our device. Battery wise, the device is coming with a 4500 mAh for battery, and that is also a downgrade from the S20 Ultra 5000 mAh of a battery. The reason behind the 4500 mAh for battery inside the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is going to be the S Pen. The inclusion of S Pen reduces the 500 mAh for battery size inside the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Along with that, it is coming with a 25 watt of fast charging inside the box, but overall the device is going to be supported by 45 watt of fast charging support inside. So in order to achieve the 45 watt of charging capabilities in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you have to buy the 45 watt of charger separately. Just like the S20 Ultra, which has the support for 45 watt of charging, but in there you also have to buy these chargers separately. Also, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is supported by wireless charging as well, and reverse wireless charging is also supported by the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra family. Lastly is going to be the price of the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and there is only going to be one rumor which has been surfaced online, and according to that rumor, we might see the price for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will be around 1349 euros, and in terms of dollars, we might see that device to be around 1300 or 1400 dollars of a price tag. So this year the device is going to be much more expensive than the previous year generation, maybe 100 or 200 dollars more expensive than the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Overall, I feel this device is going to be one of the most powerful devices if Snapdragon 865 Plus processor device is purchased. My opinion regarding this device is going to be pretty much same as you guys. So guys, what are your opinion regarding the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra device? Will you buy a device which is supported by Exynos 990 in your country, or you will skip this device and move towards the Samsung Galaxy S21? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.